Boa noite. Danke para bem a noite. Nós também começar com a premiação de nos 54 Bonaire International Sailing Regatta 2021. E para nós por abrir a noite a de nos award ceremony, nos queremos Senhor Felix Thomas, diretor de Scaldilante, para dizer uma palavra. Aplauso.
Presente na tour, boa noite. Na tour é muita juventude, boa noite. Para nós, fiscal, tu honor de por mirabos na noite, riba nos planche, fiscal, para motivo que durante a semana tem competência de bela, riba la mão, e água speed estava encarregado e competência na aqui. A noite, pois não está aqui não, para motivo que tem entregamento de prêmio, que está algo que cada de vocês a merecer a base de vocês esforço. Tem intenção que o prêmio aqui lo sirve como estímulo, de modo que outro ano e outro ano e outro ano, 3 anos que sigue, lo conta que vocês sustém, mirando que o ano aqui, para motivo de Covid, e atividade aqui estava destinada localmente e a base disso aqui toch a lograr chegar a uma quantidade basta ruim que a atividade não pode tomar lugar. Vez mais, danke por vossa participação e nós conta que você aporte de ano venidero e cada gosta de vosso prêmio. Danke.
Danke, Papito. Também nós reconhecemos a representante do deputado James Crown, senhora Amers. Se pode vir adiante, por favor, para dizer uma palavra. Danke. Aplauso.
Boa noite, tour presente. De parte do deputado Crown e governo, me quero felicitar a toda gente que não logrou nada esse mês aqui. Me permitido ter esse aqui cortico, que me di nogmaals, hoop para bem, para tudo o qual você a lograr esse mês aqui, então nós passa over para a parte que toda gente espera.
Danke, senhor Amers. Também me chamo adiante a noite nos race director de Regatta 2021, Victor Wijnand.
Oké, deze keer pak ik hem er even uit. Bonnootje, bonnootje. Ik hoop dat jullie allemaal een hele leuke week gehad hebben. Met veel zeilen, windsurfen en nog veel meer. Ik dank jullie allemaal. Ik hoop dat jullie, wat ik net al zei, een fijne week hebben gehad. En we gaan denk ik zo beginnen met de winnaars bekendmaken. Altijd heel belangrijk.
Dank je, Victor. Nós temos também adiante nosso presidente de Aquaspeed, organização que organiza regata aqui na Anancuta, Liseta Lisha Saragossa. Por favor, vem adiante. Obispo para a palavra. Dank je.
Boa noite, boa noite. Danke grande estichten de Aquaspeed que chama na tour nos 75 participantes. You guys see me the whole week, and I think for the first time you know that I'm the president of the Aquaspeed organization, the one that with my team made possible the 54 Bonaire Regatta. It was 2 weeks, intense week, and with the culmination today with the award ceremony. I'm very proud of my team. Thank you, my team. Thank you to my general coordinator, Derklin Vrolijk. She was at my side, and this year I think the women are power. We have a lot of power this year. Thank you guys, and hope that we can make it possible for the next time. I don't know. We have to discuss that. But thank you very much, all the local people, because this time we make it possible for our local people. For all the Bonaire people, I had seen a lot of people in the windsurfing, a lot of kids. I'm very proud to see you guys windsurfing in the lake by Sorobon. I hope to see you guys in more events. We are planning already from the organization of Agospeed to make something else for you guys. So keep pending of us, and we're gonna give you all the nice award that we prepare for you. Have a nice evening.
So we're gonna start. Let's keep it in English for a while. We're gonna start with the windsurfing kids. We have Christopher Bernabella, Soyandra Juliana, Eva Willems. Please be in delante, por favor. Clap, man. So we're gonna call also for third place, windsurfing new kids, Nishantali Molina. Oh, she's not here yet because she's celebrating her birthday today, so she's gonna be here later. So we're gonna go for second place. Si Micah Sanchez. And for the first place, windsurfing new kids, we have Gianna De Jong. She's not here yet, so we're gonna keep her prize for later. Thank you very much. Applause. We're gonna go next for the windsurfing girls. Kit De Jong. Eso. Alianta Emerenciana. Caroline Winkler. Louis Gut. Third prize, Lone De Jong. Second place, tweede plaats, Anna Korevaar. First prize, eerste prijs, Bobbylin De Jong. Kit. Sí, no, entonces. Masyadang Kit. So we're gonna go for the windsurfing boys. We're gonna start with Barry Sassen, Kevin Bloom, Sonche Alberto, Tijo Smits, Raim Soliana, Raim, Kik Schut, Joshua Alberto, third place, derde prijs, windsurfing boys, Lenny van der Sluis. Second place, tweede plaats, windsurfing boys, Storm Nicolai. Eerste prijs, first prize, Terence Rose. A big applause for them, please. Thank you. We're gonna go with windsurfing men. Third place, Luca Davidson. Second place, Giovanni Agustin. And first place, Nigel Hart. Thank you. Applause. So we're going to go next to windsurfing foil. We only had 2 participants in this competition. For second place, we have Lenny van der Sluis. Second place, windsurfing foil. He did great with all the big guys. And first place, windsurfing foil, Nigel Hart. Masha dankie, groot applaus. With your permission, we're gonna call the first place windsurfing new kids to just arrive, Gianna De Jong. A big applause for Gianna. Thank you. That's for our windsurfing girls and guys. So we're going to go next with the Optimist. For Optimist B, we have third place winner. And also we're going to call Artie de Vries as their race official. On the stage, please. We're going to go with Optimist C first. Optimist C. Derde plaats, third place. Emily Schothorst. Applaus. Emily. Sí, Timas, sí. Tweede plaats, second place. Lisa Korovar. Eerste prijs, first prize, Osdelis Maria. Bira, Dushi, bira. Sukacha, Kai, Sukacha. Wat body moet je mooi, Sofia. Grote applaus. Dank je. Nu gaan we voor Optimist B. I want to bij Optimist B. Derde prijs. Eugendre Derks. Applaus. Tweede prijs, second prize. Mayra Noy. Eerste prijs. Anna Korovar. Yes. Anna heeft 2 keer gewonnen vanavond. Applaus, applaus voor ze allemaal. Masha, dankie. Dankie, Artie. Applaus voor al die kinderen. Applaus voor all the kids. Windsurfing Optimist. See? Okay. With your permission, we're going to call Alianta Emerenciana to the stage for her prize, please. Applaus for Alianta. She also did great in windsurfing. Dank je, Alianta. Sí. We're going to call to the stage for the collaboration in the Bonaire Regatta 2021. Artie de Vries to the stage as the race official for the Optimist A, B, and C, I mean. Artie, please come to the stage we would like to give you a thank you. Thank you for being part of the Bonaire Regatta, which is the first event by Aquaspeed. So thank you very much. Thank you. We're also going to call to the stage for the windsurfing race official, Bjorn Zaragoza. Bjorn? Come to the stage for a thank you. Thank you very much, Bjorn. Okay, so for COVID rules and regulations, we will have to close this night first part for the kids, because at 8 o'clock we're gonna start with the adults. We are only allowed to have 100 people in this area, so we have to close this off. So thank you very much. Congratulations to all the kids, and we hope to see you very soon. Be pending for the Aquaspeed Facebook page, as we will have an event in December. We also have something to drink and some snacks for you all tonight. Thank you.